Okay, then I'm probably gonna make this assembler and then work on the next project, which is steam engine, steam engines, and create new H, the brush, I think, kinetic brush, carbon brush, to make the power supply for this space. And this probably, I'm probably going to build that over there. And I'm gonna use maybe the Tom Simple storage to get the wood into another setup like this to make charcoal, and that charcoal then gets distributed to multiple boilers. This in this pack you can't get blazes for the burners, so you can't make these here, the blaze burners, but in this one here is added. So basically instead of these will be used in a 3x3 under the tanks to make the boilers, and then use a mechanical arm to put charcoal in these. I can actually already start preparing for that. These can be handcrafted. I don't need to, but I should maybe automate these ones. Or I just make more. I will just make more barrels for now. And more copper plates. Make a stack of plates. Okay, is the other conveyor done? The conveyor is done. 15 sheets remaining, so as soon as I make the assembler, they will be used. Oh, did I not? No. They will be probably immediately being used up to make... Ah, no. I will actually just deactivate this then. Okay, assembler's done. But we don't actually need this one yet. I just wanted to build it already. Oh, of course, I forgot to pick up the item. Yeah. Okay. Actually, I need to make the centrifuge first. Then chemical reactor. And then the fluid solidifier. No, I don't need the fluid solidifier. I will just auto... No. Yeah, I will just auto export the from one of the reactor chemical reactor sites into the assembler. I will put the assembler next to the reactor and just make a stack of cables and then build a proper setup or something. I don't know. I will actually now first build the steam engine setup thing. Because I will need more rubber to continue, probably. More of the latex. And it is completely empty now. So I will just let this one go. I will just let it produce more and make the steam room now, steam setup. Okay. So, which block to use for that? Probably also the granite. Yeah. And I will do some layout with that. So first I will build some floor here. And what I want to build is basically on top of this steam engine. I forgot how high I can actually build that with these burners. I think I could connect 9 steam engines in my test world, but I forgot how high the boilers are going to be. So the burners are going to be here on top, and then the boilers on top of the burners. Then on here, on this block, is going to be a mechanical arm. I'm actually going to craft one now to... I should have everything for that. What about the brass? Not enough brass plating, okay. So basically a belt. I'm gonna use this one here as belt right now. A belt is going around here. And of course, more in this direction, depending on how many boilers I want to set up. Maybe coming around here, going back here, and it's maybe going to be fed from charcoal from a barrel over here. So and the side funnel is feeding charcoal on the belt. The mechanical arm is going to pick it up, put it in the burners. So one more on this side then, of course. That means more here. That, oh no. Actually I don't need any more belts, but let's see. Then one distance, and then on top of that the burners. 3 to there is enough. We can, yeah, on top of that I'm gonna build the wall. Like that. And I also need water supply. So maybe if these are going to be the walls, Then an accumulator setup with the accumulator is going to be here. And yeah, the pipe is going to be here into the boiler and maybe going, or maybe here and then crossing this area. And then also I need the smelting for the charcoal. So actually I don't need to restore charcoal here. But I'm gonna extend here one. There can be basically a conveyor incoming to the system. And here could be, I need maybe another color basically. Then how to, maybe here is going to be the lava bucket. Make some slabs on here maybe. And then here the fan, 10K's fan. And then here is going to be a tunnel. What is missing? I don't have kelp. Oh. Wait. That is not good. That is made all the kelp without... Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. Yeah, I need to do some waterlogged sieving again, I think. Right, kelp is... Yeah. Okay, nice. But okay, then I'm just gonna place this one here. This is gonna be the... Wait, can the fan pass through here? If I would to build like for example here something. Ah. Yeah. So that's not gonna work. Still, this could be there, but no. I need to build some smelting setup over here then. Or basically here. So that this belt is going here, but let's make this one shorter actually again. Then have the yeah. Wait. Okay. Have the fan going here, which is actually not possible because there's a wall. I mean, I can just move this one back to have more space. Yeah. Yeah. I will just do that. So, and then the belt is going from here. Charcoal is, not charcoal, the logs are incoming from Tom's storage into a barrel to here, exported to a barrel here. The logs are going the belt down here. There will be a tunnel to block the logs, and the charcoal will then go down here. Okay. I think I also don't need so much. Maybe the wall goes here and then that should be enough space. Okay. No more granite. I will just get more. I will just move this entire thing for 3 blocks. Yeah, I should have just removed this one first. And then build that new one. Okay. The example robot arm. Then this one needs to be here. And now this one is incoming here. Going around like this. Now this smelting setup can be built properly. So lava, not lava, the slabs and the actual fan is going here, and the power supply, the grid power supply is going here. Which will be coming from this steam engine themselves. Same as powering the boilers, the belts and the mechanical arm. Alright. I'm gonna get a bit more of granite. I just want to build like a few of the walls so I know roundabout where to build. Because this floor is going to be the steam engines, And then on top of that are going to be the carbon brushes. This. And this does not need to, no, it's actually good if it's so long. And a lot of charcoal will be made, and I think these will never run out of charcoal anyway, because this tree farm is gonna make so much wood. Okay. Yeah. So first I have to build the... Actually, first I have to build the smelting setup. For that I need kelp, and which is not possible right now to automated farming. Or so actually I should already not yet. First I will do the steam engines now. Are 2 going to be enough? Maybe not. Okay, not so lucky. Was there? Yeah, okay, 1 kelp. We just need 8 to get the farm going again. Or do I have some in here? No, right? No. Come on. 4 more. That's the punishment for forgetting to keep some kelp. Yes. Okay. Good, that's running. Then I need an encased fan. Encased fan. I need a lava bucket. And I need the hopper, which I forgot to automate, seems like. And a log. So that... Alright, I need to have some access here. There should be logs inside. And then inventory cables and an inventory connector and one of this. Actually, I should connect this to the conveyor system. But that's gonna look very bad. Is there space inside for a conveyor? Yeah, for a conveyor, yes. There could be a conveyor going through here. I will first connect like this. But maybe at some point maybe I'm gonna actually build another farm over here and have these two farms then plus this one and the wood hooked up with conveyors to a main storage basically. Okay, the wood should now, yeah, the logs already are going into the barrel here. Yep. So, fan goes here. With a rotational speed controller. Not this way. Oh, no, actually it has to be this. No. No. Should be this way. The power is coming from one of the steam engines. Maybe this one here first. So, leaves. Okay, I have years. Leaves. And an accumulator. Ah. Yeah, that's a problem now that so if, of course, the storage doesn't have any, main storage doesn't have any items inside that are still available in the network, it doesn't matter, then it cannot just magically pull that out for the crafting. For that I need the what was the name? So something with stock maybe? Ah, here. I think that was this one. Yeah, I think that's it was this one, which is basically the interface. And then I can order items that are connected to the entire network. Where? Oh yeah, this one. Fine. This one. Right here, order there. Okay. Then, right, the burners. No, gonna make 18 andesite. Really, no more andesite. These are made with number 1. Okay, then quickly gonna make a bit of andesite. By changing. Ah, I did it. Oh no, good here. And remove this one. Barrel. And I actually need to craft a third one to make andesite. Or no, I don't, because I can actually just make it with, yeah, I can just combine these two and make from this one. Okay, where's the... It's faster for now. And another 9. Okay. And then a lot of tanks. And I'm already gonna make one steam engine. Plus a few more pipes to connect one boiler. Then as soon as this one is running a bit, I will set up the conveyors, everything, to set up the correct rotation. Let's do one more for now. And let's put one here. Get the water in from there. Huh? Okay, that has not enough water. So I need to have upgrades on that. First I do like this. Yeah, okay. Water is enough. So if I now put that, for example, and some shafts. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Then... Oh no, this one actually should have stayed here. And let's see. First, yeah, the kelp. That is perfect. Make some dried kelp. Okay, so then I need some cogwheels. Or just one actually. And do like this. Put a vertical gearbox. Like so, it has to be going, yeah. This speed is absolutely enough for the mechanical arm and the conveyors. What? Yeah. And here. And then also one was missing. Okay. Good. And this one here, of course, should be a bit higher, like 228. Is that enough for the entire distance? Yeah. So I'm gonna actually replace this with granite to have the same color here. Wait. And then put some slabs. And there is going to be the lava bucket. But I will first build the conveyor system. Oh, okay, it's already run out of power, but that is fine. No, it's not, because I want to see the rotation. The orientation. If I use 2 burners, do they even rotate faster? No. Right, I think 16,000. Oh. What was that? It's not going to be faster, I think. Okay. No. $147,000, that's pretty good. The water wheels are doing something like 20,000 in total, maybe? So, yeah. Or like one of these are already almost more than this entire setup. Okay. Wait, why this is not correctly... Yeah, like this. And okay, so this belt has to rotate that way, which means okay. Wait, first I'm gonna build the belts before I figure that out. So this one has to be ending here. And starting from here. Then this one is going until here. Oh, this one, of course, I need. Ah. Okay. Then the other one should come back to here. From here. And like so. Huh? Oh. Come on. Okay. Then the orientation. Let's see what's going to... This is wrong. And so if I connect one here, that's correct. This one is probably wrong, yeah. Then that means I'm going to put one here. And first put one here and here. Then this can be done there. But this one gearbox. Why? Okay. And then, so I can't place a gearbox here because of this rotation. So that one would be correct. And then we got this one left, which is going from, let's see, from, where's another gearbox? I need the gearboxes. So if I put one here, this would, oh, why now? Okay, then this rotation here is gonna be the wrong way. So I need again 1, 2 here, and shaft. And this to there. Okay, then the tunnel and funnel. Funnel and funnel. This one. And this one. And a filter. Yeah, I can just reuse this one. So the tunnel goes here. The filter goes here. It's denying, right? Denying everything that can be smelted. Yeah. And wait. Ah, but I can already connect that because they should stop there. Yeah, they're gonna stop here. And then, before I put the lava, I'm gonna make this robot pick up items from here. And here, put them here, here, and there. So, now I need to just get one of the lava buckets. They return to charcoal, and the arm should put the charcoal in into the boiler, into the burners. And a stack of charcoal in these last forever. Let's see what's gonna happen. That's perfect, and they should just rotate. Yeah. And of course, before I forget, I need to turn these on. Charcoal. 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 Can I take these sticks out? Yeah. Can he put some... They are all turned on, right? Is this one turned on here in the middle? Yeah. And these are also on. And here should also be charcoal inside. Good. Okay. That is the beginning of the steam engine boiler room. But that is it for today. We actually did quite a lot. The entire automation here of the LV circuits and a few LV components. The only problem right now is I have to manually craft the steel bolts and steel gears, and the rubber is also a bit inconvenient to get. But yeah, the small LV engine area is running right now with just one turbine, but the new power supply is already going to be built. The drawers are here are also filling up if I activate these again because of the overflow, I just deactivated them because the pipe is too slow. Yeah. And the macerator is also running. So next time I continue first building this entire setup plus the new power plant, power production with carbon brushes. So see you then. Bye bye.